Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can integrate the LinkedIn application with Claude. In this case, what we need to do is open our LinkedIn profile. And in this case, what we will normally do with another application is head over to the Claude section. We will definitely need Claude Pro. In this case, it costs $20 monthly or $17 annually, making a total of $200. Here, as you can see, are the plans. We will definitely need the Pro version to set up these connections. In this case, what we need to do or what we will do normally is go to the customize section, and under connectors, we will find the application we want to link. In this case, the LinkedIn application is not available. Currently, there's no direct application or proper integration with it. Therefore, we won't be able to do it in this way. What we are going to have to do instead, we will need the following Claude extension. So let's search for it in your browser. In this case, it will only be available on Google Chrome. We'll click on Add to Chrome, and as you can see here, I already have it installed. Let's head over to LinkedIn, and now let's go to the main page. Once on the main page, all we have to do is open extensions, go to Claude, and here we can ask it for anything, whether it's to help us find a job or to help us with our profile section. And we are going to ask it something very easy in this case. Let's go to the job section and ask it the following. Which option within the LinkedIn job section do you recommend based on my profile? All right, let's press enter, and we just have to wait for it to react and generate the plan. In this case, the plan involves taking a screenshot, rating the page content, reviewing the profile, among others. Let's click on approved plan, and in this case, it will do everything automatically. And this way, it takes a screenshot, look for the options, and so on. Then it tells us based on your profile summary is a medical student, location, and profile still under construction, 7 contacts, 0 posts, and it gives us a detailed summary. This is how we can do it with any other option, with any other section within LinkedIn. And well, it's that simple.